Okay, welcome to our second YouTube video. Today we are going to test out our Pad Thai home kit that I just packed up, and I'm gonna have Knox test it out. He is my first person to try this out, and I'm very excited. I'm gonna turn this to him. Okay.
So we have our instructions. There should be a picture here.
Yes, we're still in the process.
Yes. And then we have our ingredients and tools. And then there should be more pictures, and we have our steps.
Okay.
So we have our packs of stuff. Into the Pad Thai. It would be this one and this one.
What do you think about the packaging that we did?
It's nice.
Easy? Nice. Okay. We just got these new pans. We're going to also test out at the same time these hex clad. Just season it a little bit with some oil.
So, heat a large wok. Fill it over high heat.
Yeah?
Okay.
I don't know. You got to read the directions.
It said high heat.
Okay.
Okay, and then you heat the oil. And then you have your spatula. And then you add your stuff that you want to put in. Chicken and shrimp.
What's the first thing they asked you to put in?
Oil.
And then?
Eggs. So this is your eggs.
Mm-hmm. We really decided to make it even easier for everyone.
So we have our eggs. Just put that in.
So this is equivalent to 2 eggs. This is going to make 2 portions of Pad Thai. And we have our little one here. Introduce yourself.
Hi, Minnie.
Anything else you want to say? No? Okay.
And you scramble it.
Yes?
I'm 6 quarters, but 1 quarter.
Huh?
So you're scrambling your eggs. After you scramble your eggs, you add your chicken and shrimp.
Okay.
If you want to put shrimp and chicken in there.
When do you know when you're going to put the chicken and shrimp in?
When the eggs are done.
All the way?
No, because,
Like about now?
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we have our chicken and shrimp. And we just put that in there. You also need scissors.
Yes. Do I need to put that on the ingredients list?
Yeah.
On the tools list.
Yeah.
It's very fun to see how you're actually going to use our packs.
And you just put it in.
Oh, I love it. You're not even going to touch it. This chicken and shrimp is parboiled. It's kind of a loud pan.
Yeah. Okay. And then you stir fry it for 3 to 4 minutes.
So the chicken and shrimp is cooked,
Yeah.
more cooked. I actually think since we parboil it, I'm gonna change that time. Like about a minute or so, you're good. I say 2 minutes.
Okay, 2 minutes.
Yeah.
So you stir fry it.
It's sizzling, I love it. Okay, what's next?
Is it done?
It's almost there.
Okay, because we're gonna cook the other stuff too.
Okay.
Then we add the noodles and 2 ounces of water.
Okay. We do not put 2 ounces of water in here because you should have water at home. For sure.
Wait, where's the water? How do I know it's too?
Here, half of this bowl is 2 ounces. It's like a 4 ounce bowl. Maybe 1/3.
Okay.
That's cool. You probably won't need all of that.
2 ounces of powder.
You know what? I'm gonna get you actually a measuring cup.
Oh, and then you put all your noodles in.
This is 2 ounces. 1/4 cup is 2 ounces of water.
Two ounces of water.
And this helps with the steaming of the noodles.
I'm going to spread the noodles evenly around the whole thing. Wait, I should have put the tofu in earlier.
Oh, you can now. The tofu's already cooked, so you can't go wrong with that. Need to cut it a little bit bigger. I'm gonna toss this around a little bit for you, sir. Because I can't help it. I think I'm gonna turn our pan. We didn't have our pan on high. Now we're talking. Hold on, hold on. Oh, it's tofu. Sorry, I thought you were throwing in the sauce.
Okay.
Sky, you ready to eat some pad thai? Yeah?
Once it looks, the noodles look not hard anymore, but
Soft?
soft.
Really soft. You know what I'm gonna give you? Try these tongs.
Once the noodles look soft,
You can stir it with the tongs much easier. Yeah. You tell me, what do you think? Tongs or spatula? Tongs? Okay.
and then when the noodles are soft, you add the sauce and paprika.
Okay.
Did you put paprika in?
I actually decided to go ahead and put more paprika in the sauce, so it's a one stop. You'll be
You
good.
don't have to put paprika. I don't think the noodles are soft.
No, not yet. You're right. Definitely needs to be softer. And we have our pan on high heat. It's our first time using this pan, but now we know. Yeah, almost there. You want to grab the sauce?
So you don't have to add paprika even if it says add paprika because there's paprika in the sauce.
That's right.
Add all your sauces.
Squeeze it out. Hot, huh? Smells good. Nice.
Once the sauce is mixed in, once the sauce is mixed in, you want to add your vegetables. So it has bean sprouts and green onions. So yeah, you add
Not yet, not yet.
Yeah, okay.
I want the
Sauce mixed in.
the noodles to absorb, but yeah, I think you're right. I think we're ready for it. Okay. What do we do before we add the vegetables?
Turn down the heat.
You got
Or
it.
turn off the heat.
Turn off the heat.
So it's off.
Nice.
And then you add your vegetables in.
Mm-hmm.
And then you mix it so it can be mixed in.
Mm-hmm.
Because you don't really want these to cook that much.
That's right. You want to keep them nice and crispy. The residual heat that's in the Pad Thai
Is enough.
is enough. You got it, Knox.
Okay. And then you just mix it in. That's fine.
I want to see you plate this. Don't break the bean sprouts.
Don't
Mm-hmm.
break the bean sprouts.
Yep. Keep them nice and crunchy.
We want to mix them in.
Mm-hmm.
So, do we have crushed peanuts
We do. Somewhere.
in the bag?
Yes.
Okay. So, want to stir about mixed in.
You want to grab 2 plates? Because this is 2 portions, so you and Sky can have some.
Yes. So, it's about mixed in now. You want to add 2 plates. I mean, not add it, but you get 2 plates and then.
I think I forgot to bring the peanuts.
Oh.
We're going to go peanut free on this one?
I don't have peanuts for mine.
Okay.
Oh, perfect.
Okay.
Then I can't eat it.
We didn't put peanuts in for you.
Okay. I'm gonna plate it. Do we have lime juice?
No, you want it with some lime juice? We do have some in the
You
refrigerator.
want shrimp?
Shrimp? No.
She doesn't like shrimp.
Mm-mm. Just give her some noodles and chicken. And she also doesn't like green onions.
Oh.
One day she will.
You can just take the green onions out. Okay. And so I guess the rest is mine.
Mm-hmm. It does look good.
If we had crushed peanuts, we would sprinkle them on the top.
Mm-hmm. So what do you think? Easy?
Yeah.
This, I mean, even with everything else we were doing, we're at almost 13 minutes. So technically, this is like a 10-minute deal.
Yeah. Good.
Nice. Okay, can you taste it for me?
Okay.
And there's still more in the pan.
Yeah.
I'm stealing the bean sprouts. Nice and crunchy bean sprout. That one might be mommy's. Wait, you ask her. That doesn't look like one of mine.
It's still hot, so wait for it to cool off.
For sure.
Good.
Good? How's the noodles? Soft enough? Okay. Awesome. Well, let me turn this around. There you go. We have perfect Pad Thai, I would say in 10 minutes. He's done and it was made by an 11-year-old. So I think this pack is kid-friendly, family-friendly, and a lot of fun. There you go. See y'all later. Order your pack.